Oh, jeez.
You were asleep.
Scared the crap out of me.
I'm gonna put the leash back on, okay? Lay down, baby. Lay down, baby.
I gotta take this off now.
Okay.
That light's so bright.
What light?
That. Turn it off, please.
Flashlight off.
It's hurting my eyes.